He's racing us. Oh, there he is. And there he goes. All right, we just did a short little drive. We came over here to check out a waterfall, so. You went under? Is it cold? Oh yeah. Yeah, ooh, it's a little brisk. No, it's okay over here. In the waterfall pool, there you go. Attaboy, Rick! Attaboy! That was a nice little refreshing waterfall splash. All right, boys, we're gonna venture back and find a place to eat on the way. Well, it's a nice, cool night. We just had a bunch of rain come through, and it was pretty cool seeing it come off the ocean. We ate dinner. Now I got the boys over here working on sharpening their whittling knife. How's it coming, Leo? Good. I think we're about to call it a night. You boys ready to go to bed? Yeah, of course not.
Bye. See you in the morning. Bye.
I know, Rip's ready to go to bed. Morning. Let's go. It's a little brisk this morning. All right, where's the coffee? morning, beautiful.
Good morning.
All right, the boys are up, cooking some breakfast, scrambling some eggs. And we're gonna round up and we're gonna head inland today. We're gonna go visit a good friend of the family and check out the mountaintop. It's an awesome fruit farm too, so we're gonna go up there and see if we can get some good drone footage. It should be pretty fun. All right, Leah, sit down, eat your eggs. Right up here. Let's go. Up. Good up.
Oh, my hair feels so fresh, so clean. I told Giovanni I thought about it.
All right, made a quick pit stop in Tinamaste at a farmer's market. Got some beef liver for the dog. Some dehydrated bananas. Those are amazing. I could eat my weight in these.
He already is. Our sweet oranges for you.
Perfect.
Tasty oranges. Yeah, we go down the cinnamon roll.
Yeah, they horked down the cinnamon roll, so it's completely gone. We got that and some banana bread.
No.
And some lunch. Oh, and we almost got stuck earlier. It started to rain, so I had to like panic run and go grab Madison out of the farmer's market. We put her in 4-wheel and sent it.
No big deal.
Luckily got it. Yeah, it was in no big deal.
I thought you eat.
Yeah, here we are on the mountaintop. Oh, the views are incredible. You can see for so far. This is awesome.
Cool.
Now, this is a watatikaba tree,
Yeah.
and this is the fruit.
Wow.
Watatikaba.
Can I eat it?
You want to try it? You want to try it?
Yeah. Does it have seeds?
Yeah. What do you think? A little sour?
Horrible.
Esta no está bien todavía.
Are they like grapes?
¿Está dulce? ¿Está bien?
It's yeah. That's an interesting taste. The peel's got like a piney taste, and the inside's really sweet. Oh, it's very good.
Can I eat it?
Yeah, go ahead. What you think?
Good. Sour.
I could just stay here all day and pick blackberries and eat them.
Good.
Oh.
Good together. Let me think. Oh, good.
The blackberries are very tasty.
Mata está grande.
Good one right there. I'm gonna get that one.
Ow!
Oh, come here. All right, Leo's on back. What happened, Leo?
Oh, I thought it's done.
Yeah, I know. He was standing right in the ant pile. We was eating blackberries and got distracted. Yeah. got lit up. All right.
I wanna one.
You want another one? Okay. Here. Yeah, there you go. I'll hold you and you pick. You right there. Get that one. You pick. And then you can eat. You pick me one. Give me that one right there. Tasty. All right, teamwork makes the dream work. We're doing it. Whew.
Don't want hand.
Your hand, I know. They were all over your legs.
Don't want fingers.
We got you all cleaned up now, though. Packed up here on the fruit farm. I think we're gonna head down the mountain soon, go grab some lunch, and then we'll be back on our way. Hold that. Rip, here.
I'll make you real quick. I've been moving and stuff. Drink. Alright, we're back. We are going to drive back to our place. So I'll see you there. Bye, guys.
Thank you everyone for watching. I hope you enjoyed our video and join us on our next adventure. Christ is King.